Hey guys, what's up? Today I want to talk about at what point should you guys apply the blender to your clear coat. Now I made a video a while ago explaining how to do clear blends, clear coat blends, and today I'm going to show you in this video how to do, or better said, what point should you apply the blender. That is the question I get asked the most in my video. So today I'm going to explain that to you, and I'm going to show you exactly at what point should you apply your blender. And what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to apply my coat of clear on this panel right here. And right here where I have my bridge is where I'm going to stop clear coat. Then I'm going to apply my blender. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's go. So here I got this all prepped up for clear. And this is exactly where I'm going to stop. That's why I got this paper here. In my other video I explained why this paper is here. Here I'm going to stop with my clear coat, and then I'm going to remove this paper. Then I'm going to apply my clear blender right on that point. So I got everything else covered up so that I don't get overspray all over the car because it's pretty windy today. But right here is where I'm going to stop my clear blend. This is why I stop sanding, because you don't want to apply clear coat to anything shiny. This is why I stopped sanding. I'm going to apply my clear coat to this point, and then I'm going to blend it with my aerosol blender. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm ready with my clear coat and my aerosol blender. This is the Use-Sata 790 aerosol clear coat blender. This is what I'm going to use to melt the clear in the spot that I showed you guys. So let's get to it. I'm going to put the GoPro on my head so you guys can see what I'm doing as I do it, and hopefully you guys get some good information out of this video. Let's go. I'm cleaning it up right now with my tack rag. All right guys, here we go. I always do a test spray before I start spraying, and I'm gonna spray my clear coat. And that's it. Now that my clear coat is sprayed, you can see I got my clear coat on there. I might spray one more coat of clear on there to make sure I got a nice coverage on there. See how I stopped right there? That's what you want. You want to stop at the point where that paper is at. That's what that paper is for right there. So now, exactly after I finish my clear coat is when I'm going to apply the blender. Hopefully the camera can catch this really good. You see right here where that stopped? That's exactly where you want to put your blender on. Shake it up real good. And right here where that little bit of overspray is, right after your last coat of clear, apply your blender lightly. Couple of spritz until it melts away, and you should be good. But right there where the blender stopped, where my paper was at, where I stopped right here, I ripped the paper off, I grab my blender, give it a spritz of the blender, give it a second, and then I give it one more spritz just to make 100% sure it melts completely away. And right there, it is completely gone. You will not see any clear stoppage right here. That will melt into the rest of the panel, and you're good, you're done. Now if you guys want a video on how to polish it out, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a video on how to polish that out. Once this dries for a couple of minutes, I'll bring it into the sun and I'll show you how the clear blended and melted away and completely disappeared. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get ready to remove the plastic off of this, put it in the sun, show you guys how the blend looks, and hopefully everything looks great. To this point, I think it looks good. It should be great. Let's go. Okay guys, now that I'm done with the blend, let's take a look at it. Everything looks good. I bring it out into the sun just to make sure that it blended out nice and smooth. Now let's take a look. See that? You can't see nothing there. That is a nice smooth blend. all nice and clear coated with a nice smooth blend where you're not gonna see nothing. And it's that simple, guys. It's not very difficult, it's very easy to blend it out. Now if you do see like a little bit of overspray somewhere, all you have to do is polish it out lightly with a little bit of compound, and that's it. If you guys want to see a video of me polishing that out with a little bit of compound, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll do it. Well guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you guys learned something here. This is the most question I get asked about blending clear coat, is when exactly should you apply the blender, and hopefully this showed you guys when to do it. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, bye.